Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do the unboxing of the Xiaomi's latest smartphone in the Redmi series, the Redmi 5 Plus. So Redmi 5 Plus was announced in China back in December 2017, and this device is a budget offering in China, and this device comes with a full view display, or rather the 18:9 aspect ratio display, and this device comes with the Snapdragon 625 chipset. It comes in two variants, 4GB RAM and 3GB RAM variant, and we have the 3GB RAM variant of this device. And in this video we'll do the unboxing, and we'll also show you some of the camera samples taken with this device. And this is probably one of the first smartphones from Xiaomi with 18:9 aspect ratio display, but it misses out on the dual camera setup. So this device also comes with a 4000 mAh battery. So this is the box pack of this device. You can see the Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus. So this device is available right now on gearbest.com. So Gearbest has sent this device for review. So if you plan to buy this device, you can head out to the description of this video where we have pasted the link to buy it from gearbest.com. So they have some offers right now. So it will be around $180 or $190 for the 3GB RAM variant, and this device comes with a 5.99-inch Full HD Plus resolution display with an 18:9 aspect ratio. So the specifications are mentioned here: 4000 mAh battery, and we have Snapdragon 625 octa-core chipset, which we have seen on the Redmi Note 4 as well. So it's a 5.99 inches display size, and we have 3GB RAM and 32GB internal storage also included. Now the camera here is in 12 megapixel f-stop 2.2 aperture and a front-facing 5 megapixel camera. So that's the device. Now let's open the box and see the device. So now let's open the box. So this is the box pack, and on the top you get you can see here there is a good case included for this. It's a silicone case. Black color silicone case is included. That's kind of surprising. For the first time we are seeing a case included with a Xiaomi smartphone. Then inside the box here you get to see the device. So this is the Xiaomi's Redmi 5 Plus with 18:9 display, and this is the first Redmi smartphone with 18:9 display. And you get the power and volume keys on the right side. The top portion houses the ear blaster and also the 3.5mm audio jack. Bottom portion houses the speaker unit and the micro USB charging slot, and the left side houses the SIM tray. On the rear panel we have this 12 megapixel camera, dual LED flash, fingerprint scanner, and the Mi logo here. So let's just peel off the stickers. And on the front panel we have this 5 megapixel camera, the sensors, and here we have the display as well. It's an 18:9 display. So let's just peel off the sticker as well. So that was the device. Now let's boot this device. In the meantime, let's see what else comes inside. So we have the micro USB charging cable and data syncing cable. Then we have the adapter. So this is the adapter. So let's see the voltage rating for this adapter. It's a Chinese one. So we can see here its output is 5 volt 2 ampere. So again no fast charging support for this device as well. Now let's see what else. You can also see there is a SIM ejector pin included. So that's all inside the box. Now let's see the device. So there you go. That's a Xiaomi's Redmi 5 Plus with an 18:9 display. It looks good actually, and this is running on Android 7.1.1 Nougat. I mean 7.1.2 Nougat, and the resolution is 2160 by 1080p resolution. CPU is Snapdragon 625, 5.99 inches screen size. The battery capacity is 4000 mAh, and rear camera is 12 megapixel. That's the summary, and you can see internal storage is at 23.25 GB out of the box for the 32GB storage variant. And we have dual apps, app lock, support for themes, second space, then additional options are also included. So we'll talk about those things later. So the display looks definitely good. It's a punchy and vivid display. It's the first Redmi smartphone with 18:9 display. So it looks quite good. Now let's have a look at the camera as well. So this is a 12 megapixel shooter. So Xiaomi's Redmi series have not been known for great cameras. So let's see if this has anything different to offer. So that's the camera. So you can see that interface offers tons of options and modes, and let's also see the video recording available. So there you go. Let's go to options. You can see slow motion and time lapse is included. Let's go to the settings. There you go. So settings, video quality is at full HD, and there is also 4K resolution supported on this device. That's quite good. So 4K is supported, and continuous autofocus is included. So here are some of the samples which we have taken with this device after unboxing the device. So these are some samples we have taken outdoor. We will be analyzing the samples and we'll also be coming up with a detailed camera review pretty soon. So let's see if this device comes with a better camera when compared to the Xiaomi's Redmi Note 4, which was the predecessor for this device. So that was the camera aspect. Now let's come back to the battery. So it comes to a 4000 mAh battery, and that's a quite good capacity battery. And with the Snapdragon 625 chipset, we are expecting the battery performance to be quite good enough for a day of usage or even more than that. So we'll be testing that in the coming days, and we'll also be posting that in our detailed review. So that was the quick unboxing and hands-on with the Xiaomi Redmi 5 Plus. So we got this device from China. We have imported it from China. Gearbest has in fact sent this device for review. And if you plan to buy this device, we'll share the link in the description of this video. You can use our link and buy the device. It's a really good device offered with a good specification, and the pricing is also really competitive, around $180 or $190. That means it's around 11k or 12k pricing Indian rupees. So that makes it a really good deal to buy this device. So that's all guys with unboxing and hands-on. Hope this video was useful. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.